Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 9 Samachir Kalli syllabus or matriculation syllabus. This is the second chapter, real numbers, exercise 2.6. Simplify the following using addition and subtraction properties of surds. So first one is already proper addition and subtraction properties in my previous video I have explained. Okay, with the help of those properties we are going to do the sums in the exercise 2.6. Okay, so first one is given as 5 root 3 plus 18 root 3 minus 2 root 3. Since we are having root 3 in all the three terms, we can take that root 3 as common. We can take that root 3 as common and the remaining terms we can add or subtract or simplify. Whatever we want to do, we can do the remaining things. So we will get that as root 3 into 5 plus 18 is 23. 23 minus 2 is 21. So the answer is 21 root 3. So this is the answer. This is how it has to be done. Since all the root values are same, we can add or subtract the coefficients. Whatever operation is given, accordingly we can do that operation. Okay. Then second sum is 4. Second one is 4 cube root of 5 plus 2 cube root of 5 minus 3 cube root of 5. Here also the same thing only. Here square root, here it is cube root. Since cube root of 5 is only given, all the coefficients of those cube roots can be added and subtracted. So 4 plus 2 minus 3 into cube root of 5. So when we simplify this, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 minus 3 is 3. So 3 cube root of 5. So this is the answer. Third sum is 3 root 75 plus 5 root 48 minus root 243. So here root 75 and all, we have to simplify it, find the prime factors, then we have to find the root of that. So we will find the prime factors of all these three numbers, 75, 48 and 243. So for 75, 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. Then 5 threes are 50. Okay, these are the factors of 75. Then 48, for 48, 2, 24, then 2, 12, then 2, 6, then 2 and 3. These are the factors of 48. Then 243. So for this one, 3, 81, then 3, 27, then 3, 9, then 3, 3. So all these things, this 75 we can write it as 5 squared into 3. 48 we can write it as 2 power 4 into 3. 243 we can write it as 3 power 4 into 3. Okay, so 3 into root of 75 is 5 power 2 into 3 plus 5 into root 48 is root 2 power 4 into 3 minus root 243 is 3 power 4 into 3. Okay, so in this 5 power 2 and root will get cancelled. So this 5 we can bring it out. That is, we are having it like this, root of 5 squared. So this is equal to 5 power 2 into 1 by 2. So the meaning for this is 5 power 2 into 1 by 2. So if it get cancelled, the value for this root 5 squared is 5. So that we will take it out. That is, that root will get cancelled. So 3 into 5 root 3. This is how it has to be done. First one plus 5 into the same procedure only. Root 2 power 4. So 2 power 4 into 1 by 2. So 2 2s are 4. So we will get 2 2s are. Here this is 2 squared. That is equal to 2 2s are 4. So 5 into 4 root 3. So this is 2 power 4 into 3 minus. Same way here root 3 power 4 also. So this is 3 power 4 into 1 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. 3 power 2 So that is equal to 3 3s are 9. So here it is 9 root 3. Okay. So now in all the three terms, see 5 3s are 15 root 3 we are getting, plus 5 4s are 20 root 3 minus 9 root 3. So in all these three terms we are having root 3. So we can add and subtract the coefficient, that is we can simplify the coefficients. So 15 plus 20 minus 9 into root 3. 15 plus 20 minus 9. So 15 plus 20 is 35. 35 minus 9 into root 3. So 35 minus 9 is 26 root 3. So this is the answer for the given sum. Okay. Next sum is fourth one. 5 cube root of 40 plus 2 cube root of 625 minus 3 cube root of 320. So now we will find the factors of these three numbers, 40, 625 and 320. So for 40 the factors are 2, 20, 2, 10, 2, 5. So the factors are, we can write this 40 as 2 power 3 into 5. Okay. Then 625. So for this one, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 25, then 5 25s are 125, then 5 fives are 25. So here in this we can write this 625 as 5 power 4. Okay, then next one is 320. So the factors of this are 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 160, then 2 80, then 2 40, then 2 20, then 2 10, then 2 5. So the factors of 320 are 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 power 6 into 5. Okay. So everything here it is given cube root of 40. So here 2 power 3, the same procedure only, cube root of 2 power 3. That means 2 power 3 into 1 by 3. Okay. So if it is square root, it is 1 by 2. Since it is given cube root, it is 3 into 1 by 3. So that will get cancelled. So whatever we have as the multiples of 3, it can be simplified easily. So we will get the answer as 2 here. Same way here also. Since cube root is given, here we can write this as 5 power 3 into 5. So 5 power 3 into cube root of 5 power 3 into 5. So cube root of 5 power 3 is 5. So 5 root 5 we will get here. Okay. So we will write it here. So the same way here also. So 2 power 6 is cube root of 2 power 6. That means 2 power 6 into 1 by 3. So we will get 2 power 2 here. Okay. So everything we will write it here. So 5 into cube root of 40 is 2 power 3 into 5 plus 2 into cube root of 5 power 3 into 5 minus 3 into cube root of 2 power 6 into 5. Okay. So here, so when we are simplifying, we will get cube root of 2 power 3, we will get it as 2. So 5 into 2 root 5. So the balance, this root 5, cube root of 5 will be as it is, plus 2 into 5 cube. Cube root of 5 cube will be 5. So 2 into 5 cube root of 5. Okay. Minus 3 into cube root of 2 power 6. So cube root of 2 power 6 we will get it as 2 power 2. So into 2 power 2 into cube root of 5. So cube root of 5. So this 5 we are not doing anything. So we will write it that 5 below that, inside that cube root of 5. Inside that cube root. Okay. So 5 2s are 10 into cube root of 5 plus 5 2s are 10 into cube root of 5 minus 3 2s are, this is 2 power 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 into cube root of 5. So we have to be very careful in writing this 3. 3 we have to write it smaller, or else we will mistake it as 10 into 3. So the whole sum will be wrong. So here also, so you have to be very careful in that. So cube root of 5, cube root of 5 and cube root of 5 is there. So we can simplify the coefficients. So this is 10 plus 10 minus 12 cube root of 5. Cube root of 5. So 10 plus 10, 20. 20 minus 12 is 8. So 8 cube root of 5 is the answer for this sum. So each and every step we have to do it carefully. Okay. So with this I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.